Hi guys, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Lovelight Online Helper. Today I am going to introduce you about a website known as Course Hero. This website works as an online tutoring platform where you can work as an online tutor for abroad students and earn a handsome amount of money. This is the tutor button. I will just click here. So on this page you can apply for tutor on Course Hero. Just what you have to do for becoming tutor on Course Hero, create a Course Hero tutor account. You have to create an account, then select subjects you would like to be in a tutor. You have to select the subjects for which you want to become a tutor for. Then you have to upload your ID and academic credentials, like your identity card is there, then you can upload that, and academic credentials means your degree certificate you have to upload. Then you have to get approval and start tutoring. Then Course Hero team will approve your application, then you can start tutoring easily. It takes maximum 3 days, 3 business days. Subject areas which you can choose are art, humanities and language, engineering and technology, business, maths, science and social science. In these domains there are sub subjects like writing, journalism, history, religion, philosophy, engineering, technology, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, many are there. Business, under business all are there. Maths also, calculus is there, trigonometry are there, many things are there in science and social science. Now we will create a tutor account. So for becoming a tutor we will click here. So you have to create a tutor account. As I told you in last page, you have to create a tutor account. Just you put your email ID, password and then you sign up, or otherwise you can sign up through Google or Facebook also, or Apple ID also you can use. I have already signed up, so I will log in for Course Hero tutor. Just I am clicking on login. This is the login in page for my account. I will put my details. I am going to log in. Just see. So subject areas you have to choose here only, the areas in which you want to tutor. Maximum of 15 subjects can be selected. Total of 15 subjects can be tutored on Course Hero. Certain subjects will require a knowledge quiz. Certain subjects will, so quiz can also be there for few subjects, not for all. Sometimes they are asking for quiz also. For passing the quiz, then only you can become a tutor. Now the subjects you can choose are art, humanities, business, engineering, technology. I will click on each. Just wait. So now you can see here there are subjects which are of gray color. You see this is in gray color, this is in blue color, gray color. So I want to tell you that the colors which are in gray, the vacancy for tutor is not available right now in Course Hero. Only blue colored subjects are available for tutoring. So vacancies are there for blue color. Just remind, only for blue colored subjects vacancy is there. Now 15 subjects can be ticked. So I have selected mechanical, industrial also I can select, management also I can select. Though those subjects in which you have expertise you select. Blue color subjects can be selected. I have selected mechanical engineering. Management I don't want to select. Industrial I don't want to select. Calculus I have selected. Then biology I have selected. In biology I will select biochemistry. These subjects I can do tutoring. Now the dark blue you are seeing, the squares of dark blue, these are of high demand subjects, means students ask questions lot of in these subjects. But for light blue color like electrical engineering, questions will be of less quantity. Now I will go, your selected subjects will show here. I have selected mechanical, biology and calculus. 15 subjects can be selected, so I have selected 3 only, but you can select up to 15. Now I will go in next page. Here is the next button. Just wait. Now you have to give your few details like your name, phone number, age, country of residence, highest level of education, then all the criteria. I will fill it and I will show you. See, I have put my details here. Now you have to select your country of residence, like India. If you are Indian you can put India. I am putting as India. Then level of education, I have bachelor's degree. Then have you tutored before? Yes, I have tutored. On Solvencer I have tutored. It is also a tutoring app. I have made many videos on Solvencer. You can see that my videos on Solvencer. This also gives a good amount of money to every tutor who are working on Solvencer. Now, how I have heard from Course Hero? I have heard from others. You can select, like you have heard from YouTube. Suppose you have watched my YouTube video and then you are registering on Course Hero, then you can put as a YouTube. Then referral code I do not have. Professional background I can put that I am a professional tutor. Now I will submit. See, I have already submitted this application. I am submitting again to show you how to submit it. In next page, just you have to give your ID card and your academic qualification degree certificate, like degree or high school or masters, whatever you are having, and ID card like Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID card, whatever you are having for your proof, you have to just upload, because you are getting money for tutoring, and that money will be given your bank account. So they want your ID card just for your details. They will not do anything other. Just give them information as per their agreement policy, license and agreement policy, terms and conditions, and then you can register as a tutor. I will submit, then it will show that I have submitted already application. You see, I have already applied. I told you I have already applied, but for your case they can ask or they may ask or they must ask your ID card and academic qualification certificate, then only your application will be submitted. So this way you have to register on Course Hero as a online tutor. See, right now vacancy is less, but still you can apply, and in future vacancy will must come and you can apply that time also. When vacancy will be coming, I will update you in coming videos. So I have given you all the details how to apply on Course Hero and become an online tutor and earn a handsome amount of money. So please register on it soon, don't do late. And I hope that you have liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and please share it to all other friends so that they can also earn from online tutoring. Thank you friends, thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.